Good day, everyone. How was your day? I believe it was fine. Yeah, I thought so. Uh, we'll be starting our series on Java development, and we'll be covering a couple of topics. And I believe we also should go up there and get some documentaries on Java and all of that, so we can also have a brief knowledge of what Java is, what it can do, what we can use Java for. Well, my name is Paul Clement. I'll be your instructor on this course throughout this series. Just me and myself. Uh, so let's just quickly get down to what we'll be covering up on this course. We'll be starting from the introduction, which I'm doing now, taking you through all the guidelines of the course, which is the first thing. Still back on still, my name is Paul Clement, and I'll be your instructor. We'll also get down to setups, where we'll be doing the installation, guiding you throughout the installation of the utilities, the UI we are going to be making use of on this course, and the basic setups that we'll be needing, both on the glassfish area, uh, and then we'll also get down to the first step, what is first to do. Then once we move out of the first step, we get down to variables, data type, and operators. Every programming language has its own variables, just so as Java has its own variables, and is equivalent similar to that of every other programming language. And then we have a expression, statement, code block, and method, which we'll be covering. We have our control flows statement, which we'll be covering also. And then we move into object-oriented programming, the OOP. Object-oriented programming, part 1, where we'll cover classes, we'll cover constructors, we'll cover inheritance, and then OOP part 2, object-oriented programming, part 2, we'll cover composition, we'll cover encapsulation, we'll cover polymorphism. And then on 9, we'll be moving into arrays. We have Java built-in lists, autoboxing and unboxing. And 10, we'll move into inner and abstract classes and interface. And then by this time, at this point, if you follow us up to this point, you should be able to build Java application of your own. You'll be able to work as an assistant in any organization, as a Java programmer, should be at the entry level, should be able to handle such position. And then once we move out there, we move into Java generic, move into naming convention, package, static and final keywords. We'll move into Java collection, we'll move into testing, exception handling, and documentation. From this point, you're already a pro. Wow, we have so much in stock for you. Now we'll move into exploring Java libraries. We'll move into basic input and output, including Java util. We'll move into concurrency handling. This is one of the top areas we'll be working on. And then regular expression, where we'll draw a curtain and then move into Java swing, or we move into EJB and Java server phases, where we'll be working on some enterprise system, and then from there we'll be closing up our deal. I think the system we'll be working on will be we would have to make a choice, either a banking server, or we will build either a social network, or we'll build something that needs to do with calculations and all of those, and that will also require some technical aspect, like an entire company system, which will have so much embedded on it. So thanks so much for watching. Please let's move on to our second, which is setup. Please join me as we move forward. Thanks so much.